Hello friends, how are you all? And I believe that you are using GBPGM app to grow your Google business profile. And recently we have crossed 1 lakh plus downloads and with the reviews of approximate to 4,000 reviews. And guys, rating we have still maintained of 4.8 plus. So guys, you can just check out our app if you have not installed it till date and start using it to grow your Google business profile. And I assure you, after you are using our app for at least 3 to 4 months, you will see a major difference in your Google business profile growth. But you have to use all the features provided in our app, mainly post, media and reviews. So we have released a new feature about which I'll be discussing today. That is, guys, we have released 3 different audit reports in our insight section, which will help you analyze your Google business profile growth in a better way and thus optimize it so that you can grow much faster. So I'll just take you to my computer screen and we'll discuss about these 3 audit reports. Let's begin. So guys, as you can see in my screen, this is a app which is logged in with the business. Whenever you create your business or you add your business in our app and you just select the business and move here, you will see this kind of interface, which is a home section. So guys, here in this section you will find this option of insights. So when you move to insights, you will see that there are 3 new additions made. This is post audit, media audit and review audit, and these audit will help you, as I told you, to grow your profile in a better way. So let's see what these audit report provide you with some post audit analysis also. So when I click on post audit, it will start fetching data from Google server, and now it's showing its analysis. It's showing a frequency of the post which you are adding and average character per post, average words per post, whether your posts are with links or not, your post with images, your post with videos, everything it's going to show you here, and a cumulative line graph as well as this bar graph showing number of posts posted every month. Now finally guys, we have post audit analysis. That analysis is based upon some recommendations for best practices by Google on maintaining this Google business profile, and accordingly it will match the data which this report is showing up, and accordingly it will give you an analysis. Following this analysis, definitely you can start growing your profile in a much better way. In a similar way guys, as you can see, there is a media audit also, and media, it's very easy to add media through our app. You can just click pics from your mobile device and just schedule it. Even if you are not able to do that every day, still you can do, you can schedule it in a weekend. That saves a lot of time, and thus medias are posted on a daily basis, which helps to grow your profile in a very good way. So guys, here media frequency, it's showing media analyze, it's showing the cumulative line graph and bar graph, and finally in a similar way media audit analysis, which says that frequency is excellent, keep this maintained. So here the frequency by which we are adding media, it shows it's excellent, and I should keep it maintained. Finally guys, the most important thing is review audit. We have provided a lot of features in our app related to reviews, and that definitely help you grow your reviews if you are using all those features. Here we have an auto reply feature for review, which helps you reply your reviews within 30 minutes after a reviewer posted the review, and it gives a custom reply based on the review and the rating and the reviewer also guys. So review audit analysis shows the total number of reviews, rating by Google, review with only rating, and unreplied reviews also guys. You can see there are 14 unreplied reviews, and I suggest that there should be no unreplied review at all guys. So you can see all the details about your review section, complete analysis, and this way you can improve your reviews guys. Here one more thing is, which is very important, is review keyword analysis, where it shows you what kind of keywords you are getting in reviews and what number of times those keywords are there. If you find some keywords which are not according to your business, then you can always flag those reviews and Google will take care to remove those reviews as well. And guys, one more thing, if you are not getting much keywords in your reviews, then you can use our review short link feature, which provides you an auto generated AI based review suggestion to your customers, and that definitely help them to give you a keyword based review, because they have to just copy it and paste it, their responsibility is over, and now you get a custom review with keywords, that too very easily, guys. So you can use that particular feature. And finally, it shows you review audit analysis also, and according to this analysis you can go and you can improve your profile's performance quickly. So guys, I believe that you are using this app, and if you are not using it till now, please start using it and try to get its premium version. It's very affordable, but it helps you grow your profile many folds, guys, and growing your profile is very important to get leads and customers. So if you are not working on your profile, start working from today.